Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I want to wish you a very happy new year, and may this coming year be full of grand adventures, happiness, opportunities, and a lot of more stuff. So we already suffered a lot in 2020, and hoping for 2021 to be nice to us. Yeah, so today's video I'm going to show you my latest purchase. It's a Rebecca Minkoff bag, and this is, I bought it from FabFitFun. So at retail price of this bag at Hudson Bay is about I think it's $298 at Hudson Bay, and Saks Fifth Avenue is to $306.87. So which is on sale right now. But I got this bag from FabFitFun as $140. So which is great. Because otherwise $306 I wouldn't pay that much amount for this. And this is basically a micro Bedford leather satchel. Let me show you here. It was just in a random box, nothing fancy. So here's my bag. Here's a long strap, because I started using long strap bags recently, so I can wear them as a crossbody, or on the shoulder. I can't wear anything on my shoulder directly, like my shoulder bags and other tote bags. Unfortunately, I cannot enjoy them anymore. I'm having an injury, so I'm waiting for my time so doctors can fix me. So yeah, all right, so this is the bag. I will mention the everything about this bag in the descriptions below as well, the price and where you can find it, and the links as well. So this is not sponsored, I bought it by myself. So it's such a great quality bag, and it's black, it goes with everything. It has silver hardware. I'm gonna open it with you so you can so this is okay. First thing, I got this right here. So this is the back pocket. See here, Rebecca Minkoff is silver. All right, so I will just open it here. Sorry, paper shaper. I'll just remove everything. This is my second bag by Rebecca Minkoff, and it's also black. The other one is belt bag, and that's black as well. So I usually buy stuff in black so I can wear them with everything. And because I've been using my Louis Vuitton favorite for almost a year, honestly. And now it's winter, I have to wear jackets, and that bag doesn't have a long strap, so I can wear it over my jacket, so it's a little difficult for me. All right, so this is the strap. It has a quite white strap. Wow, they have covered it nicely. Every part of this bag is covered well with the paper. All right, so all right, so it's almost done here. So this is the long strap. Look, it's pretty long, and it does have this ability to adjust it. And this is how we adjust the bag. Let me remove this. So you can bring it all the way here. And it's long. So it's pretty long enough so I could wear it nicely over my jacket, which is great. So it has a back pocket right here, and this long tassel, which I really like. It's really cute. It has this braid going on, and the ring is pretty, it's a nice pretty hardware. and it has enough room for my phone or maybe my like card holder or anything. It looks very roomy, and look at the hardware. It's very nice because most of my bags has gold hardware. And here we go. This is the zipper. Very nice looking, strong, sturdy hardware. And this is how we open it. So the only thing, okay, this is basically a crossbody bag, so this is how they cross it, like this. One is this way and one is this way instead of on the side. So that's what I like about crossbodies. And this part is also adjustable. You can open it, you can just leave it as it is if you want to open the full bag like that, or you can just close it. So keep it closed, but I like open because I can open the full bag. Alright, so it came with a dust bag, which is great. I love having bags which comes with the dust bag. That's great because, you know, that way I can keep my bag secure and safe. And this is the dust bag. It's pretty good size. So yeah, it's a drawstring thing. Okay, so I really like this. Is really good quality bag, and I got it in very good price, and I'm like honestly very excited. So let me open it. And you have these papers. Alright, so this is the bag. Look at that. It has quite a like room for almost like a big size wallet. See? And it has a pocket right here. It's a small compartment which you can separate whatever, and that's big as well. It's a little bit smaller than the main compartment otherwise. And it does have this Rebecca Minkoff written here, if you can see, right? So look at the compartment. This is the bigger one and this is the smaller one, so it does go all the way right here, right? So this is a great quality, great, it's nice, pretty looking bag. You will see wearing me in pictures. And so basically I like it a lot because of the strap and the size of this bag, so I can carry a lot of stuff, because when winters you have to carry like a lot of things like gloves and mittens and all those things, and especially mask and other stuff. So I have to carry my inhaler and other stuff, so I want to make sure I keep, you know, everything in my bag. So in winters I cannot just go out like very easily. I have to be prepared before I leave. So yeah, this bag is going to be great for winters. So yeah, that's all for today. I hope you liked the video, and if you happen to be new, make sure you subscribe to my channel. I'll link on the, you know, that click on the bell icon so you don't miss any updates on my channel, and I'll see you soon. Thank you for watching. Bye.